Hey Dad, what you doing?
Hey, actually I'm trying to convert my mini fan into a super fan here, right? It doesn't blow a lot of air out. Hey everybody, Jeff Parish here from CED. And speaking of fans, one thing fans have are motors, right? So we'll turn this on, set it inside here. This may be similar to like an actual safety cell you may have inside your facility. So one thing we have to make sure of is the fact that that motor is stopped before I get into this type of hazard. How can we do that? Well, Alan Bradley released a new relay called the MSR55P. It's a back EMF monitoring relay. All right? The way this works, it monitors the voltage coming off the motor. Once that voltage gets below a certain threshold, it actually says, okay, I know the motor is either turned off from the contactor, the drive, or the high inertia lobe, and I'm in a safe condition. So let's say, for example, I wanted to get in here. I could walk up here, hit this button, request the motor to stop. Once it monitored the voltage went down to a certain level, it says, okay, I'm safe. Now it would actually allow me to get in here, do my work or whatever, come back in here, close it up, I can restart, all right? Keep in mind too, this is the MAB from Alan Bradley, the multi-function access box. It's a great interlock switch. Just a side note for the whole video right here, all right? So keep this guy in mind. Also, it goes up to PLE SIL 3 Category 4 safety rating. So it's the highest levels of safety you can achieve with a back EMF monitoring device, okay? So, we also talked about the fact that we're upgrading our fan. So what does that mean? Well, this little fan here, this is my little mini fan, and it blows just a couple mile-an-hour worth of, air coming through that and so forth. And actually, it's kind of dusty, so hopefully this ain't a big deal. But what I've been doing is I'm going to turn it into a super fan, right? So the way I did that is I actually put a flux capacitor in here that has an 8-core, 16 gigabit hard drive built into it, right? Makes it run really, really good. So you can feel right now 3, 4, 5 mile an hour worth of wind coming off of it. But you know what? I did some calculations, and I think it's probably going to blow 3 or 4 mile an hour more. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this super fan on and see how that. Well, that worked a little better than what I thought it would. Thanks for watching, everybody.